posted my last video, it was suggested to me that I should probably do a compression test. Technically I need to do a leak down test, but I don't have the proper tools for a leak down test. So I got my compression tester out. I'm going to be doing that today instead. And hopefully, we'll find out how much compression we have in each cylinder. My previous guess was that I probably have some bad piston rings, and I'm getting a lot of blow-by. So we're going to be finding out some of that too, and we'll see how much of a problem I have. I had to buy a new compression tester. That's the old one. I lost parts to it, so I can't use it because this one takes the smallest piece, which is right there. And I only have the equivalent of that piece. Probably was used for a Chevy motor. So I did the compression test. Cylinder 1 was 135, cylinder 2 was 150, cylinder 3 was 140, and cylinder 4 was also 135. It seems a little on the low side, but I googled it and it said that's acceptable. It's not great. If you get all the way down to 90, it's definitely a replace or rebuild. I'm going to pull the valve cover off and see if anything looks funny in there. Hopefully I'm not making a big mistake.